Hello traders, welcome back to your channel The Traders Flight. So let's begin today's weekly analysis, which is starting from 5th of June, Monday. So I hope everyone is following this channel, and if you are following this channel, definitely yesterday Friday exactly it went to that level that I have given, which is around 1983 to 85, and from there it took the rejection, and we saw a very good movement, and right now the closing price it is somewhere around 1948.100. so if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel, do like the videos, do comment if you need anything, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all the analysis when it is uploaded, so that you will not miss out the latest analysis. So without wasting time, let's begin the analysis. So this is a monthly time frame, and as we have seen in the past, this is kind of a historical resistance zone, and so this is like a historical resistance zone which is around 2070 2080 level, and market after impulse came down and then second time tested the resistance zone, and again there's a sell again started from there, and now again from this region around 1640 again market bounced back after impulse. We are seeing a huge rejection from this monthly historical resistance area, and also it is trying to form some price action. So for the confirmation, let's move to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, in the past we have seen market went up, there's an impulse, and then there's a retracement, came down, took some support of these EMAs, and then again move up, and then after that, after a big move, then market kind of formed a price action, and this price action looks like a ascending channel, and ascending channel generally it's kind of shows kind of a exhaustion, right? When there is a big impulse happens or big buy happens, after that market moves in a range, and after that the exhaustion shows. So after that, after the exhaustion, market broke this channel and it came to this level where market is standing right now, which is 1940 48, and so we have seen market came down at the low of 1933, and then from it went upside to test this level, because this was kind of acting as a support previously, and now it'll act as a resistance. So once market tested this one, then there's a fall. So it looks like a kind of a dozy formation for this weekly candle, and if market staying below this 1933, then we can see soon very good levels till 80-70. That's what I have given even if last week as well. So if market sustain below 1933, definitely it will reach 1870, and it should not be like if sustain below, then suddenly in a day or two we'll see 1870, because that is not the way the market works. It should follow some kind of a price action, and using that price action only it will give to those particular levels, right? But we have to work on the levels, and we have to be reactive in the market. So whenever market comes to our level and it breaks that levels, then only we have to enter the market with proper risk and reward, and we have to save our trading capital. It's not like just blindly put all your money to a sell position or buy position, right? So let's move to the daily time frame and see what the market is forming. Daily time frame, exactly the similar kind of concept, where market went up this zone, which is 1983-85 range, because though I have draw a line here, but that doesn't matter, because market really doesn't see a line or kind of a point where it will go and take some resistance, right? So generally in the market, what it happens, there is a range. So there is a range of, let's say, 3 to 5 points. That's that point will work as a resistance, or that point will work as a support for the market. It's not like a single point, though I'm referring this dotted line here, I draw here, but the actual resistance will be like it's from this zone to this zone. If I draw another horizontal line, it's somewhere between this 1985 to this area, right? So if I draw the line, it should be like this. So there's a range. Within this range, market will face the resistance and it has to come back. Right now for market, this will act as a support. Let me draw that for you. So the current support for the market is this, which is 1932, right? 32, 33 area. This is the support, and current resistance is 1985, right? That we are seeing in the daily time frame. But if you want to go to a intraday trading, probably a 4-hour or maybe a 1-hour time frame, then we might see some different things, right? So as of now, market 1 hour took their support from this and went up. Again, we are seeing there are resistance, and there are 3 tops, right? 3 times market tried to break the resistance, but the seller position are high. Sellers present this area, and this is a very good resistance. That's the reason why I mentioned you have to wait until market comes to your range. Then we will see a big move from here, right? And that's what happened, right? Before the news also, market tried multiple times trying to break this region, but unfortunately it fell down from that particular region. And again, you see, I mentioned previously there were EMAs crossovers, the golden crossover or death crossover. Here golden crossover formed, and that's why we saw from 1947 market went up till 1980-85, and then again it started in a hourly time frame, it formed a death crossover. And definitely I'm expecting market to come to this particular range if market on a Monday, because Mondays are like less volatile days. So if market Monday sustain from this level, then there's a high probability it might go to the next resistance, which is at this level, right? So this is another resistance level, kind of a dynamic resistance for the market, which is 1953 to 55 level. And let me just change its color. Okay, so at present, if market sustains from this level and market goes to this particular place, and this will act as a resistance. So if I say this will be our resistance and this will be a support for the market for the time being, right? So if market, if you're seeing Monday during probably London session and all, if market taking some rejection from this zone, then we can re-enter with the sell position, and the immediate target will be this area, which is 1930-33 area, right? This is the range. And then if market sustain below this, then definitely we'll see 1900 and 1870-75, right? But that will not happen like in a quick one day, because just Friday, why it fell down? Because of the news, right? For news, the volatility will be high, and if volatility will be high, we'll see big candle formation and we'll see a one side direction, right? But we have to see what are the major news those are coming on a next week, right? We're just starting from Monday, June 5th. So you can follow this Forex Factory calendar or any economical calendar, and there we can see what are the major news those are impacting the currency, the USD. And if currency is kind of going downward or giving a breakout towards upside, then definitely we'll see more downfall in this gold, right? So those patterns, those things we have to see in the chart, and always believe your chart before the news. chart always tells you the truth before news comes out, right? Even if you see this particular news came at around 6, right? Before 6 also market shows what I'm trying. It is trying multiple times, getting some rejection, and then after the news there's a big volatility and it fell down. So always believe your chart believe your patterns and see is there any specific candle patterns that you are seeing. Candle patterns are very very important, right? So based on that we'll see how the market behaves next week. And Monday definitely it will be a less volatile day, so try to do some minimal scalping trades like a 5-point trades, so like a 1:2 ratio or maybe 1:3 ratio based on your capacity, and do trail your stop loss if you are seeing market is giving you in a one direction move. And don't lose your all hard earned money. Focus on your psychology and same things. So I hope everybody will do good trading, and that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.